always said I'd fit in with what they do here. But I let my friends know I was going to be here, so they might come by. In fact, I let all my relatives know. I may have some walkers coming by. I go down if you're in the area, stop by and see myself.
Did I tell you that my aunt was telling us that I'm part Irish? O'Brien. I knew you were kidding me. Oh no, I remember when I was with the O'Brien on my visit. My aunt Sadie. I know.